बच्चे मन के सच्चे। नाउडेज दीज किड्स जिन्हें हम मन के सच्चे कहते हैं, दे आर यूजिंग लैपटॉप, टैब, कंप्यूटर लाइक अ प्रो। और हम जिस ज़माने के हैं, ज़्यादा पुरानी नहीं हूँ, स्टिल लैपटॉप तो शायद कभी यूज़ नहीं किया था, बट टू लर्न द बेसिक थिंग इन कंप्यूटर ट्यूशन्स लिए थे। और लुक, these kids, they are using the laptop like a expert, seriously. एंड फॉर द गेम्स, हम लोग के ज़माने में हम लोग बाहर जाते थे, खेलते थे, फुटबॉल, बैडमिंटन, खो खो, वॉलीबॉल, छुपन छुपाई, पकड़म पकड़ाई, सबको याद ही होगा, राइट? एंड दीज किड्स, दे आर प्लेइंग ऑल दीज गेम्स इन लैपटॉप। कैन यू इमेजिन? बट मुझे क्या लगता है, कुछ ये मिसिंग है. I know this pandemic made them to learn the basic thing during this online classes. Actually, they are expert now because of this online classes. But is it enough? In my case, I don't think so. She is using like expert, but सिर्फ लैपटॉप में काम करना is not enough. So I made her do some activities at home. कि घर से बाहर नहीं निकल रहे हैं तो कुछ घर में ही घरेलू चीज़ से कुछ एक्टिविटी करवाए. वेल, इस एक्टिविटीज़ को कुछ अलग नहीं, मोटर स्किल्स कहते हैं. तो आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं मोटर स्किल्स के बारे में. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. दिस इज श्वेता और ये है क्षितिजा, जिसको मैंने कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ कराए हैं जो आपके मोटर स्किल, फाइन मोटर स्किल्स के अंदर आते हैं. तो लेट्स सी. तो उसके लिए आपको मेरे साथ एंड तक बने रहना पड़ेगा टू चेक आउट, टू वॉच द एक्टिविटीज़ जो आप घर पे आपके बच्चों के साथ यूज़ कर सकते हैं टू गेन, और तो आप बोल सकते हैं टू इंक्रीज देयर फाइन मोटर स्किल्स और हैंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट यू कैन यूज़. तो चलिए बात करते हैं इस बारे में. Well, first of all, what is this motor skill? Motor skills are nothing. This is something most of us do without even thinking. हम लोग बस normally जो daily life में करते हैं, that is only motor skill. And it is divided into gross and fine. Yes, the motor skill is divided into two. It has two subdivision, that is gross motor skill and fine motor skill. So first of all, let's talk about this gross motor skill. Well, it includes standing, walking, going up and coming down your stairs, running, swimming and others activity that you use the large, actually it uses your large muscle जो भी हम normal daily life में करते हैं. So we develop these mostly during childhood through play and physical activities. Well, before this pandemic they used to do these gross motor skills. But what about the fine motor skills? Well, on the other hand, involve the muscle of the fingers, hand and wrist, and to a lesser extent toes, feet and ankles. Coordination of hand, eye and brain makes gaining these skills a little more complex. Development of these skills is more ongoing, often throughout our whole lives. So let's check out some activities for our fine motor skills and your hand-eye coordination. And the first activity is your handwriting. As you can see, it needs your hand, your eye coordination. The second activity is kneading dough and making balls out of it. Well, as you can see, this is again hand-eye coordination. Well, they are still little kids, so they can't go for a roti making. But yeah, आटा तो गूंद ही सकते हैं. So well, I made her to गूंदना. She has tried. Well, she's a girl, that doesn't mean कि a boy should not try. Boy भी कर सकता है, कोई भी कर सकता है. This is nothing but one of the activity that includes your fine motor skills. So go for it. And the third activity is pouring water. And the fourth one is scissor skill. Let them make any figure, whatever they want, and definitely you should be there when they cut. Let them try to cut using a scissor. And the next one is personal care. Well, they are still kids, but they should know what is this comb, what is how to do the makeup, how to do the brushing, doing hair. They should know. Well, the next skill is construction skill. It includes solving puzzles. Again, you can see this is one of the, I will say this is one of the best skill, or you can say इससे अच्छा एक्टिविटी और कोई नहीं हो सकता. सीरियसली, पजल लेट देम ट्राई बाय देमसेल्फ. यू कैन गिव हेल्प, थोड़ा हेल्प आप कर दीजिए कैसे कर सकते हैं, एंड लेट देम ट्राई, वो आपसे बेटर करेंगे.
Looking my pencil.
And the next is opening and closing of food container. जो भी वो लोग ड्रिंक लेते हैं, हेल्थ ड्रिंक, let them open the bottle and get it, no? It is also one of the fine motor skill. I know they are expert, they can do anything, but let them try each and everything. So the next activity, as you can see, it's clothing fastening. So let them try to fold their own clothes and button that are supposed to go. This also includes your hand and eye coordination. Last but not the least, their favorite activity actually, playing games in laptop, computer, tab, जो भी आपके पास है. So this activity is operating other electronic equipment. Let them write in laptop using the notepad or whatever you can use. So let them also learn to use the keywords or the keyboard, you can say. They know to write ABCD, but let them understand what is this capital letter, the small letters through the laptop. So these are the activities which I have tried at home with my kid. You can try these activities or anything else with the things, with whatever the things you have at your home. And yeah, don't forget that these kids have different abilities. Don't try to compare these kids with anyone. So, and let them learn by themselves, but थोड़े activities भी ज़रूरी है साथ में. And I know, yeah, they are expert, but कुछ activities कर रहे हैं तो they will involve and they will learn more. So, these children show some fine motor coordination and skill that go with them as they grow older and they develop. If you want to know if your child or the little loved one is meeting appropriate development milestone or not, or close to time or in an early or a late bloomer, please feel free to try these activities or contact me for further queries or further details. Well, आज का वीडियो यही ख़त्म करते हैं, यही समाप्त करते हैं. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. कमेंट करके बताइए हाउ वाज द टुडेज वीडियो, हाउ वी हैव डन द एक्टिविटीज़, कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ आपको पसंद आई हो. तो बस अपना ध्यान रखिए, घर पे रहिए और सुरक्षित रहिए. बाय बाय. बाद में मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टेक केयर।